Title: How to enter safe mode on an LG phone.
How to enter safe mode on an LG phone.
The home screen of an LG phone.
If you need to put your LG phone in safe mode for troubleshooting, it is a simple and straightforward process.
Several apps including Gmail and YouTube.
It is important to note that safe mode disables all third-party applications. You will not be able to use any applications that didn't come on the phone from the factory while in safe mode. We'll go over two options for entering safe mode, with phone access and without phone access. With phone access, if you can access the phone, go to the home screen. Press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds
On the right side of the phone,
until the power options pop up on the screen.
two buttons appear: power off at the top. The button below says power off and restart. Below it says cancel.
Then press and hold power off for 1 to 2 seconds until the restart in safe mode pop-up shows on the bottom of the screen.
Below a red button is the text, safe mode. To turn on safe mode, the phone will restart and certain apps will be unavailable to help troubleshoot the phone. When you restart the phone again, safe mode will be turned off and all apps will be available. Cancel, turn on.
Now tap turn on safe mode. Wait 1 to 2 minutes while the phone reboots to safe mode. Confirm the screen says safe mode at the bottom.
On the lower left,
Without phone access. If you cannot access the phone, press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for 5 to 15 seconds until the phone shows a screen that says System Recovery at the top.
the power is at the right, volume down is directly across from it on the left.
Use the volume keys to highlight safe mode. Press the power key to select safe mode. Wait for the phone to reboot and verify it says safe mode at the bottom of the screen. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
lg.com/us/support. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.